In this video, we're going to talk about how to remove cloudy oil from your Fieldpiece vacuum pump. First, let's go over what you'll need. Make sure you have enough fresh oil for a few oil changes if needed, a vacuum gauge, and a container to dispose of the old oil. Cloudy or milky oil means your pump oil is contaminated, usually from moisture or non-condensable gases mixing in. This creates a cloudy emulsion that keeps the oil from sealing and lubricating properly, which can hurt your pump's performance and lead to damage over time. To resolve this, an oil change must be performed. The RunQuick oil change system allows for a fast oil change without shutting down or losing vacuum. Here's how to do it. Position an empty bottle under the elevated drain valve. Open the ball valve by turning it clockwise to the 6 o'clock position and drain the old oil. Close the valve by turning it counterclockwise to 3 o'clock. Retrieve fresh oil from onboard storage and remove the cap. Pour the full 8-ounce bottle through the wide-mouth fill port, keeping the oil between the minimum and maximum levels. Also, make sure hose ports are sealed properly. Leaks will keep the pump from reaching a vacuum. Make sure to replace the fill cap. Then turn on the gas ballast. This helps draw fresh oil into the deeper parts of the vacuum pump. For heavily contaminated or persistently cloudy oil, perform several oil changes in a row, making sure to open and close the gas ballast with each change. Running the pump with a gas ballast open circulates fresh oil and helps remove contaminants from deep inside the pump. Repeat this process until the oil runs clear and your Micron level drops. Changing cloudy oil restores proper sealing and pump performance. The RunQuick oil change system saves time, protects your pump, and ensures reliable evacuations every time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.